What's the meaning of blotting paper? Blotting paper. Blotting paper.
Blotting paper. Blotting paper. Blotting paper is a type of absorbent paper that is often used to soak up excess liquid or ink. It is typically made from a highly porous material such as cotton or cellulose and is designed to quickly absorb and hold liquids without smudging or spreading. Blotting paper is commonly used in a variety of applications including art, calligraphy, and scientific experiments to remove excess moisture from surfaces such as paint, ink, and specimens. It can also be used for cosmetic purposes, such as blotting away excess oil on the face. Overall, blotting paper is a versatile and handy tool that has many practical uses in everyday life.